Welcome to all young innovators. We are very much thankful to Pareshbhai Babaria from Arohi Embedded Systems and his entire team for initiating Ideathon event in collaboration with Government Engineering College Rajkot and sponsoring prize money of rupees 40,000, 20,000 and 10,000 for first best 3 ideas. I congratulate teams from GEC Rajkot and Arohi Embedded Systems for providing opportunity to our young student innovators of Gujarat state to present their ideas. This world needs scientific thinking and action, and Ideathon provides such opportunity to the youth. In Ideathon, students have to use design thinking and innovative learning practices to ideate and collaborate on possible solutions to real life issues. I would like to share one real life issue with all of you. There is a lot of water wastage in multi-storied building because sometimes people forget to close the water tap valve and there is a continuous water flow which is just a wastage of natural resource. At present there is no solution to this problem except giving warnings and suggestions to such people after physical observation of such type of water wastage. Even if we use water meter and charge money, but that is not the solution because it will not stop water wastage. Water is abmulya. By paying mulya we can't waste the water. So we should not waste such resource of nature. Can we suggest some solution based on technology? Can we put flow sensor along with the water meter which will sense flow of water, and if it is found that water is flowing continuously for a period of more than 1 hour or whatever the duration programmed, it should send information to the owner, president of the apartment or society and other responsible authority who can charge fine from such people so that they can take care about it in future. It will be much better even if flow sensor detects the continuous water flow more than certain time period. It activates solenoid and stop water wastage. At the same time, it send a message to the president and secretary of the society. And such type of solution is possible with help of a technology. Our youth can find out many such real life issues and work on it for the solution. In last year, in 2020, during the corona period, IBM tops US 2020 patent list with a 9,130 patents. I am happy to share with all of you that out of this patent filed by IBM India is the second highest contributor. It shows the power of our Indian youth. Arohi Embedded System is ready to help you. Give freedom to your thought process, identify problems coming in real life situations and work for solutions and present your idea in Ideathon. Academicians at GEC Rajkot and engineers at Arohi Embedded Systems will help you for implementation of your ideas. Ideathon is a brainstorming event. We are sure that it will bring out new innovative ideas from our young ignited minds. Take part, get support from SSIP of your institute and win prizes. Wish you best of luck. Thank you.